Hi you guys, welcome to today's video. If you didn't know me already, my name is Anna and today I'm going to be showing you how you can recreate this look of doing an eyeliner on hooded eyes within 5/4 easy steps. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I do my eyeliner even though I have hooded eyes. I have some tips and tricks for you on how you can create a smooth and even line. I know creating an eyeliner can be a really big struggle whenever you have hooded lines, but hopefully today this tutorial will help you out. So without any further ado, if you want to see how I created this eyeliner so that you can do it as well, then please keep on watching. For the sake of this tutorial, I already did my eyebrows and my foundation contouring steps and all of that. Just because of the sake of this being a eyeliner video, I don't think I need to include it in here. However, if you are interested in how I do my foundation and I cover up some mild acne and redness, I have a whole separate video on that going very in depth about all of the products I use and my recommendations. For the eyeliner now, I'm going to be zooming you guys in a bit more onto my eye so you can really clearly see what I'm doing while explaining the steps. Now that I have zoomed you guys in a bit more, it's time to start with our eyeliner. The first step of this 5-step routine is creating the baseline. The baseline which I'm referring to is the eyeliner that goes onto your eyelid. Because of the hoodedness of my eyes, I don't have a lot of eyelid space showing. Therefore, I want to keep the eyeliner on my eyelid as thin as possible. This way we can see a eyeliner and some eyelid space, creating the optical illusion of having a larger eyelid. As for product for that today, I'm going to be using the Nyx Epic Ink Liner in black. This is one of my favorite felt tip eyeliners just because it's very easy to work with and it gives you a very clean line. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking a little power puff like this and I'm going to be placing it onto my cheek here so that I can place my palm onto here and have a steady hand for when I do my eyeliner. When doing the baseline, I always like to start off in the middle first, drag it outwards and then go into the inner corner and connecting it to the beginning of the middle line. So now I'm just going to be placing my powder puff here and create a line. And please keep in mind that you want to keep this line as thin as possible. And this is going to be the eyeliner on our eyelid. As you can see, because I keep the line as thin as possible, it gives somewhat of an illusion that my eyelid space is bigger and it kind of muffles away the whole eyelid shape which I have, which are the hooded eyes. Now that we have created the baseline, it's time to go to step 2, which is mapping out the direction of our wing. This is how high or how low you want the degree of your wing to be. It's a very specific personal preference. Some people like to keep it up higher while I like to keep it more flattened. But this is just something which you need to explore and see what will complement the rest of your features the best. For the rest of the eyeliner steps right now, I'm going to be switching over to a different eyeliner product. For the wing, I'm going to be using the Sigma Gel Eyeliner in Wicked, because in step 5 we're going to be smudging out our liner, and when you use the gel product it's way easier to smudge it than when you use a liquid liner. As for the application of the wing, I'm going to be using my Sigma Winged Eyeliner E06 brush. Right now I'm laying down again the powder puff so I have some stability to create the wing. What you also want to keep in mind for this step is that you want to look straight into the mirror while having your face relaxed. This is going to be the direction of my wing. Of course we can always later go back to clean up this lower line right here to make it a bit more smooth and tight. But this is the mapping of the wing and it's not the final product yet. As for the first step, it is on to mapping the wing. This is the most important step when making an eyeliner for the hooded eye. The mistake which I see most people making when doing an eyeliner while they have hooded eyes is keeping your eyes closed while making the wing. So most people will keep their eyes closed, make a straight line, but then when they look up into the mirror, it's not a straight line anymore, and that is because of the hoodedness. The hoodedness takes up some of the skin, making the straight line which you just created a crooked line. Therefore, when mapping out the wing, we're going to be looking straight into the mirror, keeping our eyes and our face relaxed, and we're going to be making a straight line then. So as for right now, I am again taking the powder puff, laying it down on my cheek here, and I'm going to be looking straight into the mirror. I'm keeping up my mirror a bit higher right now so you can really see what I'm trying to do here. As you can see, I have my crease and my hood right here. So what I want to create right now is a line that will go over this crease, smooth and in a straight line. What I'm going to be doing is going from the outward point of the wing which you just mapped out, bringing it back up until that crease and going over it, and then we have the mapping of our wing. As you can see right now, I have it up until that crease, and now I'm going to be going over it. And now you can really see what the problem is with the hooded eye, because right now you can see that I have a straight line, but when I look down, it's not a straight line anymore. So this brings us to our fourth and probably easiest step. It's going to be filling in the wing which we just mapped out. So once again, I'm just taking up some product again, and I'm going to be filling in this space. As for the part right here where we don't have any liner right now, you can pretty much do anything that you want. You can also create somewhat of a graphic liner look with this, because it's not going to be showing whenever you look straight to someone or into the mirror or you take a picture. So it's up to you what you want, but because of the sake of this tutorial being a smoked eyeliner for the hooded eye, I'm just going to be connecting them straight downward. Now we have come to our fifth and final step. This is somewhat of a personal preference, and it is not something which I've included in my previous eyeliner tutorials. The eyeliner is pretty much done now. When I look straight into the camera now, you can see that I have a pretty good straight wing. But some people were concerned of how it's looking when they would look down, because throughout the day you're not looking straight forward all of the time. Therefore we're going to be smudging out this weird kind of Batman shape which we have going on here. And this will just kind of soften the look, make it a bit more flirty, and it's just going to be complementing the look even more. Therefore, I'm going to be using the Sigma Smudge E21 brush. This is a really easy brush to work with. I'm going to be laying down the powder puff again right here, and then we're going to be smudging out the liner. And as you can see, because we just used a gel product, we don't need to pick up any like eyeshadow or whatsoever. The line just smudges already by itself. You can now make the look as smoked or as clean as possible. So this is what it would look like if you have the eyeliner smudged. Because of the smudging, the eyeliner will appear somewhat bigger. So right now I'm just going to be going back a few steps, cleaning it up again, because this is not my personal preference. So I just reversed the previous step, which was smudging the liner. That is just because it's not my personal preference and I like to have a clean eyeliner like this. So now I'm just going to be doing the same steps on the other eye, apply some mascara and some false lashes, and then I will be back for the ending of this tutorial. So that is the final look, you guys. This is the eyeliner look which I've created, even though I have hooded eyes. For my two previous tutorials which I did on eyeliner for hooded eyes, I've seen so many comments of people telling me like, oh my god, this technique really works. I was finally able to do an eyeliner. So if you have hooded eyes and you struggle with getting your eyeliner slayed, please try the technique, because it's a almost 100% guarantee that this will work for you. Also, I would really appreciate it if you would thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel so we can keep this train going as it is going. I will have the rest of my social media handles linked down below in the description box, as well as the rest of the products which I have used and all of that general information stuff. So without further ado, that was the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye!